Alrighty. Today we're doing a run from Highway 501 on the AT. Do a couple miles and see how it goes today.
Ah, this kind of sucks. It sucks. Gotta make sure, here, make sure it's not like on my battery. Back there. Yeah. Oh, shit. Blow that out. You can mount, it's not mount low. During the summer, this wouldn't be too bad, but this blows. Woo!
There we go.
It opened. We made it. It's Azani. Oh, look at that. The little house right there. Is that a heart-shaped fuck? It is a heart-shaped pond. It's a heart-shaped pond. That's usually how the bottom half be. Yeah, I'm pretty sure a bunch of people have that same idea. Wow. Well, there's a camp area. This is nice. I love it. I never expected to actually see all of this. There's that guy. I have no idea about any of this.
Like fucking 100 yards down here.
And rope swings. Whew. Huh. Should I put a bolt through it?
Did that make you happy?
Doesn't make anyone happy. King tag. And now they know. Wonder what this is.
It's empty.
Huh?
There's a little glass jar in there. Froze. It's a froze solid. Really fucking beats me up, man. Get out of shit.
Alright guys, we're done with our little hike from 501 in and out. Probably about 14, 15 miles, give or take. It was a fun time. I'm gonna go chill him show him about White Rock. You guys have a good day. Thank you for stopping by.
Axel does a pretty good justice.